Submarines used to be the silent giants of naval warfare, stealthy, powerful, and deadly. But what happens when we add artificial intelligence into the mix? Today on Techie Tales, we're diving deep, literally, into the rise of smart submarines and how AI is quietly transforming the oceans into a new kind of battlefield. From the early diesel-electric subs of World War II to today's nuclear-powered giants, submarines have come a long way. They've always been known for their stealth, but traditionally they relied heavily on human crews and manual decision-making. But now, thanks to AI and advanced sensors, submarines are becoming more autonomous, smarter, and in some cases, completely unmanned. So, how exactly is AI used in submarines today? Here's what's happening below the surface. AI analyzes sonar, radar, and depth data in real time to avoid underwater obstacles without human input. It classifies ships, torpedoes, or underwater mines to recommend or initiate evasive action. Smart subs manage power consumption, choose silent running modes, and extend mission time. AI improves covert communication through encrypted data and uses laser or acoustic modems for stealthy updates. Now here's where it gets next level. We're not just talking about smart manned subs, we're talking about unmanned underwater vehicles. No crew, no commander, just code. Boeing's Orca XLUUV and DARPA's Manta Ray are real examples being tested, built for long missions to patrol, deliver payloads, gather data, or conduct electronic warfare. But it's not all smooth sailing. Smart submarines raise big questions. Who's accountable if an AI-controlled sub attacks the wrong target? Can autonomous drones trigger underwater arms races? And what if these systems are hacked? As AI takes over military functions, the silent decisions could lead to loud consequences. Whether it's surveillance, combat, or deep-sea research, AI is pushing submarine tech into uncharted waters. Imagine fleets exploring alien ocean worlds or defending coastlines without human risk. The future is here and underwater. From stealth missions to autonomous warfare, smart submarines are changing the game. Is this next-gen defense or a dangerous conflict? Share your thoughts, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Techie Tales, where tech goes deep.